Well, back on top of the roof again. It's been 3 months and it's definitely approaching the service life of this tarp. Now you can see pinholes through it, which I think is the resistance, water resistant layer going off. So I've got to peel back the tarp and find out what kind of roofing's underneath it. It looks like just real cheap rolled roofing that isn't attached, so it shouldn't be terrible. There's our little flat roof. It's still holding water. And it looks like at one time they used a hot mop to stick down roofing up here, because there's the running tar running down. Beautiful slate. And a little stack of rocks there. It's about ready to fall. Got to figure out how to get up there. It's only a couple feet away, but sure is hard to get to. Beautiful view up here this morning. Trying not to let the rain get us. We're going to be doing it a little by little so we can keep the house dry. So wish us luck. We'll need it. Carrie got lonely downstairs, so she's gonna come up and help me on the flat roof. So this will be her first time up. She's emerging. She doesn't like being up this far, but I tell her it's just like being on a regular roof. It's just a little farther down, but as long as you don't get near the edge, you'll be alright. Huh, baby? It's all solid. So you can step anywhere out there. And then I'll get you all strapped up. See, we got Carrie Lou a safety harness.
I'm a little klutzy.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not supposed to. I never know for sure what I'm supposed to agree with and what I'm not.
Yeah.
Was that one yes or no?
Yes.
I'm supposed to agree with that?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Whew. I squeaked by on that one.
Yeah.
Okay, Carrie, run to the edge and see if it works.
No, when I was little, I used to run, so my mom used to tie me to a tree with a leash, very similar to this.
Go show them that you can go to the edge, but you can't go any farther. Now lean as far as you can. Look at that. Is it scary?
No, it's not too bad.
Now if she doesn't adjust it every time, she'll fall a little ways down the roof, but she won't make it to the ground.
No, but that's okay.
She's so safe.
Okay, we're only pulling it back a little bit, as you can see. There's a train coming, but we knew like this stuff was here, but this part here was all rotten. That beam right there. There you go. That one's rotten. We got to replace that part of that. So, but yeah, I'm up here. I mean, really, who would have thought I would have got up here? Not me. Okay. Frank is squaring up, cutting off a lot of that rotted wood so that we can replace it. like that. Alright then. Okay, as I showed you earlier, there were lots of holes that needed to be patched, and we are reusing sheeting from the flat roof, I believe, that we've already fixed and replaced, because that you couldn't see it and here you can. So we're trying to reuse as much as we can. And just so you all know, trying to cut 45s right is very difficult with tongue and groove. So yeah, but anyway, it looks
But not impossible, huh, baby?
not impossible. No.
You got it about, it's only
The fifth try.
third try.
Third try, fifth try. Seemed like forever. So anyway, so once we get that done, we've got the underlayment up here. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 days, so I think after we get the underlayment on, we'll cover it back up with the tarp. You're doing a good job, Frank.
Oh, thank you, Carrie. You do.
Thanks, Bobby. And yes, I have the safety harness on.
Good girl.
Alright.
And it's getting near the end of the day, and we're trying to get this done. Carrie Lou's. We're just, Carrie's trying to get a little bit of the old flashing off. Look at how brave she is. Long ways down, Carrie. Then I'll have to figure out how to pull you back up. Some of this flashing's in pretty bad shape. She's almost got it done though. And they sure didn't do a very good job of keeping the slate clean when they were doing the white elastomeric coating. Who knows?
Alright, everybody. Well, we got a storm moving in, so we did not get the underlayment rolled out. We've got some more tear off we have to do before we can get this middle. There's one more piece of wood over here we need to replace, and just we've got to get the drip edge before we want to do it right. We don't want to have to come back up here in 6 months and do this again. So no thanks. So we put the tarp back down. We do know that some of the leaks are now fixed, so that's at least something.
The leaks aren't fixed, the wood, the holes are fixed.
The holes are fixed.
The rotten wood.
Yeah. So we put some slate tiles that came off. They're heavy, they're not going anywhere. And anyway, so this is us up here on the roof.
Yeah.
And yeah. Yeah. So I say these safety harnesses are a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And I do feel like I'm on a leash and I get tangled up a lot.
Yeah.
But I'm not falling off the roof anytime soon. So anyway.
Not very far off.
All right.
Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time.
Is the box yours? Is the box yours? Mia?
Oh.
Is the box yours? Hi. Go get your box. Is that your box? Is that your box? Mia, is that your box? Is that your box? Is that your box?